Hi friends and welcome to albitech. So in this video we are going to make a filter for our kitchen and help our mothers. So in order to do this I am just taking a bottle cap and I'm going to pierce this with some needles and candle. That's it. So just heating it up and just applying it. That's it. 1, see, 2, yeah, simple. Just do this the entire area so that we'll be creating like a filter, simple filter. That's it. Yes. So once it's completed, we'll go for the next step. Yeah, done. So you can see it acts like a filter, right? Then that's it, you are done. Then next we will take a balloon, a normal balloon. Just we'll insert this end of the balloon into the bottle cap. Yes. Just firmly fix this. Due to the elasticity, it will hold itself. Now our system is ready. Just I need to cut the end of the balloon. So you can see here. Yes, that's done. Now we'll fix this. Our system is ready. Now we will fix this to our kitchen tap. Yeah. So let's fix this now. I'm just holding it here. And we need to fix it firmly with the rubber band. Just that's it. Yeah, it's fixed. Now our system is ready. Ta-da! Technology. Technology. Nice, man. So just cleaning and see how it looks. And the water is getting filtered. You can just improvise this actually. If you add some filtering sponges or small metal pieces, you can increase the filter quality. Now it's nice and it's flexible as well, so you can turn it all 360 degrees literally. Yeah, that's it. Nice to see you. That's it. Nice. Thank you for watching, guys. Please like and comment, subscribe. Adios amigos.